This is the tricep pulley rope here. Stainless steel, fits on there nicely. I like how this is nice and soft, so it's not going to give any blisters on there, and the rope is nice and thick as well. The rotating the bar, this part rotates, so I like how it curls. This thing curls with you, so you don't have to worry about rotating your hands on just like a flat a bar where this doesn't rotate, where this would actually just go up like that as your hands rotate. So very nice there. The grip is phenomenal. Okay, here's the close grip one right here. So you can see, once again, the very nice diamond grip there. And this rotates around also, so it's not going to be any weird angle. So this is the close grip ones for rowing and different exercises like that. Very nice, sturdy, and solid. And finally, we have this one here. This one does not rotate, but it doesn't need to. We have nice wide ends here, so our hands doesn't slip off. Once again, no sharp portions that are gonna damage us. Really good grip on there, so you can do your close tricep push downs or whatever you want to do with this. So stainless steel, the QPARVERS seems pretty nice here, my friends. Nice addition to my pulley system here. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.